Yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRaj P daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri kakot kakya jong kejala Meghalaya uba hek ula pensyai bakam tangkam ya menteri rang ba kejala Meghalaya ukonrat konggal sangma ba hap song slong de quarantine hadin ke jongwan phai ke jong na Manipur uba hek ula ong ba menteri rang ba kejala Meghalaya ukonrat ke sangma ula lek sa Manipur bat wan ru na Manipur ha kajok asni bat ada ke sampel na namuna kalong negatif lasya ukonrat ba unek sakikam hadin kalai sni uba hek ula pentip bu ukonrat ke sangma ula deble ya kate su but kalong hiru negative.
That is not only Chief Minister or any. This is the general protocol, SOP to anybody. Suppose anybody is going outside the state on the same day and coming back on the same day, it has to be stay at home or go for giving the swab for testing. After he found negative, then only he will allowed to go to work. Until unless the report is not out, he will not be able to go outside. It has to be quarantined at home. This negative of the Honorable Chief Minister, so the Health Department has given him the certificate that he can go and join the work. So since he has not joined the work, he has gone to Manipur, maybe for his personal work or whatever work. So that is his personal. So I have nothing to say on his tour to Manipur.